MRD is a revolutionary tool for myeloma, and we can't listen a presentation without talking about MRD. It's pivotal now. In our center, we can measure minimal residual disease either by NGS. We can also perform cytometry. But in our center, we generally use the NGS because we like to have the more sensitive method, and for a routine assessment, I would say it's easier to have 10⁻⁶ with NGS than with flow. But both methods are equivalent. One thing is important to understand, because we talk about 10⁻⁵, 10⁻⁶. This is an important question. The methods are equivalent, but both methods do not measure the same thing. And it's important to understand that, because by flow you measure residual cells, but viable cells, and with molecular biology you measure tumoral DNA, residual DNA. So it's not exactly the same, and it's important to understand that, because the performance of both methods are great, but you can't always compare both methods. And when you start with a method, you have to go on with this method to be reproducible.